Hello children, today we are going to discuss the summary of chapter 10 from your first flight book, and the name of the chapter is The Sermon at Banaras, and the writer of this chapter is Betty Renshaw. So let's discuss the summary. In this story, The Sermon at Banaras, the author has presented an account of the journey of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was a prince. His name was Siddhartha Gautam. At 12, he was sent away for schooling to read about and to study about Hindu sacred scriptures. He returned after 4 years and then he married a princess, and after that they had a boy, a son. Gautam Buddha had been shielded from the suffering of the world. When he was 25, he saw a sick man, then he saw an aged man, and then a funeral procession. Finally, he saw a monk begging for food. This made him so sad that he himself became a beggar. Then he went out to seek spiritual knowledge. Gautam Buddha wandered for 7 years. Finally, he sat down under a fig tree. He vowed to stay until spiritual knowledge came to him. He got it after 7 days. He named the tree as the Tree of Wisdom, and he began to teach. Soon he became known as Buddha. He preached his first sermon in Banaras on the bank of the river Ganges. The sermon has 10 important points. This shows Buddha's wisdom about the suffering. So let's listen to the points he had discussed in his first sermon. Kisa Gautami. She had an only son. He died. She took the dead child to her neighbors to make him alive. She asked for medicine. The people called her mad. At last Kisa met a man. He told her that he had no medicine, but he knew a physician who could give medicine for the same. Kisa Gautami asked him to tell the man. He told her to go to Sakyamuni, the Buddha. Kisa told the Buddha to give medicine to cure the boy. The Buddha told her to bring him a handful of mustard seeds. It must be from a house where no one has died. Kisa Gautami went from house to house. People gave her mustard seeds, but she had asked if no one died in the house. They told her not to remind them of their deepest grief. Kisa Gautami could not get the seeds from such a house. At last, she sat tired and hopeless at the wayside. Darkness soon fell. She saw the lights of the city. Soon the darkness of the night was everywhere. She considered the fate of men. She thought that she was really selfish in her grief. Death was common to all, yet there lay a path that led man to immortality if he surrendered all selfishness. The Buddha told her that human life was full of pain. No one could avoid dying. All those who were born were to die one day. Young and adult all have to die like the vessels of a potter. They break after being made. All depart from life. A father cannot save his son. So, the world is affected by suffering due to death and decay. The wise do not grieve as they know the truth. No one will get peace of mind from weeping. On the contrary, his pain will be greater. His body will suffer. The dead are not saved by expressing sorrow. One who has overcome sorrow will be free from sorrow and be blessed. So, Buddha made Kisa realize that death is common to all. It also shows the detachment from mundane life. Only grieving cannot bring peace of mind. So this was the summary of the sermon at Banaras. I hope you understood the chapter very well, and now when you look at the questions of this chapter, it will be easy for you to answer them all.